and start with independence and impartiality. As we have read in Article 12 of the Model Law and Articles 11 and 12 of the rules, an arbitrator's appointment can be challenged if there's justifiable doubt as to his independence or impartiality. Independence refers to his relationship with the parties. Does he have a personal, business, or professional relationship with either the parties or their counsels that is so close or proximate that it would impact his ability to render an independent award or to provide an independent or an impartial decision? If you find that there's such a proximate relationship, then it is a basis for challenge. Impartiality, on the other hand, deals with how the arbitrator or the tribunal treats the parties. Article 18.1 of the Austrian Model Law provides that the parties must be treated with equality and each party must be given full opportunity to present his case.
What is the money that you will be spending on your arbitration? And here I'm going to simplify a bit the things, just to make it clearer and help you understand better the issues at stake. You can actually separate costs in arbitration in two parts. On one side, you have all the costs relating to the proceedings. And on the other side, you have the costs relating to party representation and your actual participation in the proceedings. So looking first at the costs of the proceedings, are first the administrative costs of the arbitration institution involved. The second subgroup is, of course, the arbitral tribunal. They'll decide on the dispute, and so you also have to pay them. They're not doing that for free. And as a third subgroup, incidental costs.
International arbitration is an amicable mechanism to resolve disputes between international parties. Now, the point I think that's worth emphasizing today is we all live in a globalized world. We have interactions across borders, and therefore, a hypothetical situation, you have a party from Argentina entering into a contract with a party from Canada to sell goods in France. That's not uncommon. Now, if you have a dispute in that situation, how do you resolve the dispute? And this is where you step into the notion of international arbitration as being an extrajudicial method of resolving disputes, in the sense that you don't need to go to domestic courts. Your dispute will be resolved by an international tribunal of arbitrators that are created just for the purpose of resolving your dispute.